What's up, everyone? What's going on, 18? And top of the morning to everyone. So, okay, thank you for throwing in the 2 cents. I was going to do that, but as you can hear, the wife is in the background. Today is her birthday, so everyone say happy birthday to her in the comment section below. So we are back with another death battle, and this is Ratchet Clank versus Jak Daxter. Now, I will honestly tell you that I am a little biased towards this one. And I'm going to go Ratchet Clank because of the fact that that is who I want to win. Normally, I come into it, pretty with an open mind and non-biased, but I will be the first to tell you I am biased in this one, and I am going with Ratchet Clank. It's no particular reason why I'm going Ratchet Clank. Besides that, I am very familiar with with both teams. I can't say the both of them with both teams, but that's just how I feel. That's just where my heart is at. So we'll check this out. We're going to skip right to the battle. As usual, if you want to check out the full video, I will make sure I link that down in the description box below. And then on the other hand, let's go ahead and get this started. Let's see how this is. I don't know what type of stuff they're going to pull off in this one.
That's the last time I let Quark fix the warp system.
Actually, weren't you the one who overclocked the accelerator?
Huh. This is new. Hey, do you have any idea what you've done?
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable on the couch. If you can find what's left of it.
This isn't so bad.
Damn.
I can fix that.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Mr. Weasel.
Weasel? Well. Looks like it's us who needs to fix you.
Everything leans like it's going to be with Jak Daxter, and I feel like Ratchet Clank is our underdog. What the hell? Damn, okay. Wow. That was nice. That was nice. No, you don't.
No. Watch out, you shaky bug.
Damn.
Rest in peace.
Wow. Ooh.
Whoa! Ratchet.
This is a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. As far as the fight himself.
Can't you go any faster? I wasn't designed for this.
You sure wasn't.
Let's try this.
Oh, damn.
Any more weapons you want to throw at me? Like I need any more. Well,
I forgot about that formation of him.
just one more. Ratchet, behind us. Now what?
I totally forgot about that formation with Jax. Damn. Okay. Wow. 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 Totally didn't expect that. Yay.
And curtain.
My heart was right.
Jak and Daxter were formidable fighters, especially when they had enough ego on hand. But Ratchet and Clank's better teamwork, superior defenses, and overwhelming arsenal trumped them in the end. Well, they both had ways to
I actually didn't care about none of that stuff. I just wanted them to win.
plentiful than Jak's green ego. And Ratchet's shields and incapacitative weaponry were more than enough to put a stop to Jak's more offensive ego. Take that, nature! While Jak and Daxter's morph gun was one of the most versatile weapons we've ever seen, it absolutely pales in comparison to the sheer size and power of Ratchet and Clank's arsenal. Jak's best shot was his dark form, but like everything
Yeah.
Jak and Daxter had, it didn't take long to run out of juice. Well, Ratchet and Clank had more than enough gadgets and weaponry to keep up the fight. Plus, Clank
It looked kind of bleak for a second.
sidekick to Daxter, especially his time manipulation and immunity powers. It was game overture for Jak and Daxter. The winners are Ratchet and Clank.
I'm happy with that. Very happy with that.
Next time on Death Battle.
All right, what do we got next? Flash. This should be a good one. I just wonder who it's going to be against. This should be a real good one.
Hey everybody, I'm Chad. I live in Sydney.
All right, so there we go.
Thanks so much for watching Ratchet and Clank.
Death Battle, Ratchet and Clank versus Jak and Daxter. Yeah, Jak and Daxter. Like I said before, it wasn't really a particular reason why I wanted them to win besides them, besides my heart really being in this one and saying the fact that I just wanted them to win. But I'm glad that they won for sure. But it turned out to be a good battle, a lot better than what I originally thought it was going to be. So let me know what you guys think about the battle. So leave all your comments down below. Also, for those of you that are new, if you'd like to be a part of the A-Team and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe as well too. Until the next video, guys, I will holler at you later. Peace.